Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from what we've done on this channel before, but I still think it's going to be very fun. I had a crazy idea, and today we're going to be finding out what happens when you put Smarties in the microwave. I don't know what's going to happen, so we're going to find out. I'm going to be doing 2 packs of Smarties. I'm going to do 1 plain. Obviously, I'm going to take the wrapper off, and then I'm going to do 1 water, which they might dissolve, but we're going to see what happens. So, let's go. Okay, so now we're at the microwave, and we have our original Smarties that we're not going to put in the microwave so that we can tell the difference. And these are the plain ones, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put them in there and start it for 30 seconds. Let's go. Alright, so now they're done. Let's see what happened. I'm assuming nothing, except they might have gotten a little bit warmer. So they're a little bit warmer compared to our originals right here, and I think that's our only difference. So right now we're just going to move on to the water ones. So let's get these and put them in. Start for 30 seconds again, and wait. Alright, so now our water ones are done. Let's go in and find out what happened. There's a new film on the top of the water, and it seems that the Smarties in there are a little bit dissolved. So, so far it looks like nothing's gonna happen, which could be expected, but you never know. There's always random things that could happen. So we're gonna go back to these ones and jump straight to 2 minutes. And there we go. Okay, so these ones are done. Let's find out what happened. Ooh. Again, not much, but now the Smarties are actually sticking to the bottom, and if you look on the bottom there, they're actually kind of melting their color off. So melting, maybe. I'm gonna give those a second to cool down, and we're gonna move on to the water. So I'm a little concerned for doing this one so long because the water's probably gonna start boiling. And who knows what that's going to do to the Smarties. So we're going to go until the water boils and see what happens from there. So put those in there and let's go for it. So the water's boiling now. I'm going to take them out and let's see what happened in here. Oh, Smarties are gone. I can't. Couldn't grab it. Alright, we're left with super hot water and some weird color flakes on top. So, very nice, you know? Kind of gloomy looking water. I don't know what's in there, but it's a little nasty looking. So, I think we should head on to the final test. We're gonna put these in for 5 minutes. Maybe, if nothing bad goes wrong. Let's see what happens. So, it's been 2 minutes, and I think I need to take them out already, because, well, just see what happened. Something no one could have expected. When you put candy into something hot, it melts. So, here we are. We have some melted candy goop, and it is still very liquid and goopy. So, yummy. Alright, back to the table. So, here's what we ended up with on our non-water. There's some black speckles and a big lump of melted candy sugar things. And that was our control. So if you look between those two, it's kind of a big difference. You can tell what happened. Somehow there are still 2 surviving Smarties. You can kind of see where there was a pink one over there. But yeah, there's only 2 almost full ones left. Here, we have all of them left. And this is what happened to the ones in the water. They kind of boiled away and turned into dust. Not as exciting, but expected. Compared to... Okay. So, overall, it's kind of what I expected to happen. We would get some melted Smarties, some normal Smarties, because that's our control, and some boiled down Smarties. Now you know what happened if you put Smarties in the microwave. So don't do it, because you end up with not Smarties. I mean, I guess you end up with 2 half Smarties, and there's no way I'm eating that, so don't try me. I am gonna, however, have one of these. Pretty good. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, you might not want to, because it was kind of a cliffhanger. And I'm hoping that I can finish that video out next week on Friday. So make sure to tune into that. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.